Okay, I'm sure you've already started working on this, but just some pointers or things to help out. Learn portion at a time, like a maybe first. What was that first? But like 2 lines at a time is good because that's how long a new rhythm pattern will last. So like getting comfortable with that on its own, that's a good idea. Getting comfortable with this on its own, good idea. Getting comfortable with that, good idea. And this by itself, also good idea. So you can do that, and then piece it all together. Now, as far as like any kind of building it up to the 100, I like you to just try doing it at 100 the whole way through. So just put it on loop and keep at whatever section you're working on, and you don't have to do the entire 8 bars for each different rhythm. You can do 4, you can do 2. So as small of a piece as you need it to be, that's fine. No need to make it or try doing too much too soon. So focus on small portions as much as you need to. So I'm just going to run through the whole thing with Guitar Pro at the 100 so you can see how I'm doing it. And yeah, counting along, very, very helpful. So try and do that the best you can. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3 and a 4. 1, 2, and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1, 2 and 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 1, 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and all right, theory, chord theory. So just a couple things. Go back and forth between the last two. All right, so the first thing we had to do was a new thing for Aeolian, and you did that. Oops, come back up here. So good, that's what I was thinking. So now the question for you, when you play through this versus this, which feels easiest to you? So I want you to do both. Let me know which one you feel is easiest to play. See, the next thing, right, you were to change the chord there, and you did. So perfect, so that's good to go. Next, the Locrian, B Locrian one. So I got this one up again a little bit. So that's definitely more in line with what I feel is a more efficient route from one chord to the next. However, this chord is further away than it needs to be. So I have the progression laid out one more time, and we're going to change where chord number 6 is. So here's my hint to you. So instead of always thinking of it, you're going from this chord to this chord to this chord, you also got to think how you're going to go back. So how would you go from chord number 7 down to chord number 6? So again, how would you go from chord number 7 down to chord number 6. That's the hint. Okay. And then the Dorian. Right, so I like what you put in here. So just like before, like up above, I don't remember what progression it was. I think Aeolian. I don't know. Anyway, so I want you to play through your original way and then the new way. Compare the two. Let me know which one you feel is easiest. And I think that was it. Yes, that was it. So those are my notes on the chord theory stuff. So yeah, any questions come up, let me know. And for the video next week, just you playing along at 100 beats per minute with Guitar Pro. Just do that. So yeah, just work on it a few times a day. Just get several good takes with it. Just get really, really comfortable with that 100. That's the goal. Okay, that's it. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you again next week.